Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make karbanátky. These are a staple food from the Czech Republic. They look like something in between a meatball and a burger. So here I got 300 grams of half-half ground pork and ground beef. Let's see how many karbanátky I can make from this. In a bowl, I'm gonna mix the ground meat with some other stuff. 1 chopped red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, also finely chopped, 1 egg yolk. Of course you can use the whole egg, but I'm only using the yolk, which makes the patties more firm. Breadcrumbs, something like this I think, maybe too much, well it's never too much. Then sea salt, black pepper, quite a lot, as always. And then thyme. And oregano. For the herbal touch. Then I'm gonna mix this. The bowl is a little too small, I think, but anyway, I'll manage. I forgot one thing, that is the mustard, which is very important. So I got French mustard. Gonna blend this in as well. For extra flavor. By the way, this is mild mustard. I don't want the karbanátky to be too spicy. And here's what the meat for the karbanátky looks like, mixed thoroughly. It's time to shape the karbanátky, the patties. So I want to make about 4. Maybe 5. Not sure. I think it's gonna be 4 equal pieces. And there you have 4 almost identical karbanátky. An abundant amount of extra virgin olive oil in a hot pan. And I put my karbanátky in there. On quite a low heat because I don't want to get anything burnt. Just fry these karbanátky, these Czech burgers, meatballs, slowly. I'm gonna turn these. must be ready. It's time to build a plate. So what goes well with karbanátky is mashed potato. That's what I got here. Then place the 4 Czech meatballs kind of around the mashed potato. Then on the side of the plate there's room for some nice fresh acidity in the shape of pickles and a couple of sliced cherry tomatoes. Why not? And some of that nice French mustard as well. Karbanátky, Czech meatballs. Let's try these. The inside is perfect, medium to well done. I like that flavor. The spices, the herbs, the onion, the garlic especially. You can taste that. With some mustard. Yeah, goes well with creamy mashed potato. Very good with mustard. A little bit of cherry tomato. Nice fresh acidity. Pickle. That gives a perfect contrast. With the meat. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.